You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and as you can tell by the title, in today's video I am going to be bringing you another Dollar Tree haul, and I am so excited about this Dollar Tree haul. It is full of Bolero products and quite a few makeup items as well that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. I don't want to waste any more time. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, click the like button. You're gonna enjoy this one, so let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm not even gonna make you wait to the end of the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the Bolero products that I found at Dollar Tree on my recent visit. So let's see, let's start here. The first thing that I found are these coconut cream and vanilla cleansing facial wipes, and they just look like this right here. And let's see, I believe you get 30, yes, you get 30 in a pack. It's a 30 count. And I am so excited to find these. They smell so good, and they actually work pretty well. I don't have it in this bag here, but a recent trip before this one, I also got the facial cleansing wipes in the cranberry and sweet orange scent. So I've been using those already, and I am enjoying them as well. So yeah, you get 30 facial cleansing wipes in a pack for $1. What? Okay, so yes, if you can find these facial cleansing wipes, go ahead and pick those up at your Dollar Tree. And let's see. Okay, so the next thing I found, and I was surprised to find at my store, I have seen other YouTubers that do like Dollar Tree hauls. I've seen them haul these at their Dollar Tree, and I was like, I'm never gonna find this at my store, but I did. And it is the coconut cream and vanilla paper foot mask. So this is gonna be good to, you know, moisturize your feet and get them all nice and soft and everything. So it just looks like this. And let's see, it says to soften, soothe, and repair. So that's always good, especially now that the weather is getting cooler, your skin gets drier. So you still want to take care of your feet even though you're not wearing sandals anymore. So yeah, and I've never done a paper foot mask, so this is gonna be a new one for me. But I will definitely come back and give you guys a review on this. You know, I always do a review on products in my empties videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't seen my previous empties video, I will link that above for you guys. Okay, so the next item that I found in the Bolero line is the Deep Cleansing Coconut Cream and Vanilla Gentle Face Scrub. And it comes in a cute little jar like this. And it does have the little beads in the, if you can see in the bottom, it has the little beads there. So it's a gentle face scrub, and it says to prepare the skin, wet your face before use, massage in circular motions, concentrating on dry areas of the face, rinse thoroughly with water. So I am quite excited to try this. I always like a good face scrub, but something that's not going to be too harsh so that you can use it on a daily basis. And it does have a seal on the top, so that is a plus. If you find this at Dollar Tree and it doesn't have that protective seal on the top, then don't pick up that one. It should have a seal on the top of it. So the next Bolero product I found is the coconut cream and vanilla bath soak. I'm so excited to try these out. I am wanting to do a bath soak. This says it's detoxifying, rejuvenating. The bath crystals moisturize as they cleanse and ease muscle discomfort, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. A warm bath never felt so rewarding and healing. I am so excited to try these. It says to add 4 to 6 tablespoons to running bath water, soak, and enjoy. Also, it says that this finished product is not tested on animals, so that is a plus as well. And this is a 17.5-ounce bottle, so you get quite a bit of product in here for only $1. And let's see, it smells so good. This smells like, okay, so it's coconut cream and vanilla. You definitely smell the vanilla. This vanilla reminds me of the warm vanilla sugar from Bath & Body Works. And just a hint of coconut. I don't smell very much coconut, but maybe a little bit of a creamy smell, but it smells really, really good. Like I said, I'm so excited to try these bath soak salts. And then the last Bolero item that I picked up that I'm also so excited to try is the cranberry and sweet orange body scrub with coffee powder. It says that it is exfoliating and smoothing, and it just looks like this. And it says this blend of cranberry and sweet orange scrubs away dry, flaky skin, leaving you feeling soft, smooth, and supple. Your skin will take on a new, refreshed glow with a toxin-free radiance that makes you feel completely rejuvenated and relaxed. All of that sounds great, and you can get that all for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I am so excited to try this out. It says that it has a coffee powder, and I have a coffee body scrub that I adore. It just leaves your skin feeling so nice and smooth and soft like no other body scrub. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. And it does have a protective seal on it as well, so make sure that you check that before you pick up your bottle at the Dollar Tree. And this smells really good as well. It has a nice clean smell, and it is the cranberry and sweet orange. Okay guys, so we're gonna move on to the last bag that I have here. And I did pick up some more of the Yes To face mask. So I got the Yes To Coconut Ultra Hydrating Moisturizing DIY Powder to Clay Mask. And this is for dry skin, which I definitely have dry skin. And then I picked up another one of the cucumber, Yes To Cucumber Soothing mask. Now this one is another DIY powder to clay mask as well. I think the last cucumber mask that I had from Dollar Tree was that was the sleep mask. I talked about that in my empties video. So again, if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and check it out. So yeah, so I did go back and pick up more of these. They did have some other ones, but I didn't pick up all of them just because I have some of them already that I haven't used. So I didn't want to, you know, pick up something that I didn't really need. But if you can find these face masks at your Dollar Tree, it is a steal. Make sure that you pick up a couple of those. Okay, so of course we all know that, you know, we're coming up on the holiday season, and of course everybody's putting out their Christmas decor and things like that. I have started to pick up a few Christmas decorations here and there, not a lot. But once I get ready to decorate and put my tree up and pull all of my Christmas decorations out, I'll do like a collective haul of the things that I've picked up along the way. But just real quick, I didn't really pick up any decorations, but I did find this cute little mug. How cute is this? And the size of it is perfect. It doesn't have the decoration on the back, it's just on the front. It's super cute. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep this for myself or if I'm going to maybe give it as a gift to like a coworker or someone that I just want to say thank you to. So in that case, I did pick up a pack of candy canes, and these are the Brock's brand, which is a really good name brand. Let's see. There it is. It's the Brock's brand, and these are hot cocoa flavored. So I thought that would be nice to maybe give this as a gift and put, you know, these hot cocoa flavored candy canes along with the pack or something, or maybe add some hot cocoa in here with some peppermint sticks, and then add these hot cocoa flavored candy canes. I thought that would be like a cute little gift for someone, or if I decide to keep it for myself, I don't know. But this mug, it does say that it is microwave safe and dishwasher safe, so that's important as well, to make sure you check for that on your labels when you buy your dishware and things like that. Okay, so we're down to the bottom of this last bag here, and y'all, I went a little ham, just a little bit, not too bad, just a little bit. So LA Colors has come out with so many new items. Well, they're new to me. I don't recall seeing this. There's like a whole section. I think I took some pictures. So if I have those, I'll insert that right here. So when you go to Dollar Tree, just look for the display of LA Colors. There was a whole display of Bolero in my store, and they were kind of together. So, and it was kind of in an awkward place. It wasn't where all the other makeup was. So, you know, just look around. It may not be where you think it's gonna be. Just look around the store, okay? Now, so we'll start with this. These are lashes. They are beautiful lashes. They are by LA Colors. And these look like they would be really good quality. I haven't tried them, so I don't know if all these lashes are gonna fall off the band as soon as I put it on my eye. But these are called Dramata Lash. So like dramatic lashes, it's called Dramata Lash. It's in very cute packaging like this, shaped like an eye. I think that's so cute. And then, let's see, you get one pair of lashes. The style that I have here is called Enchant. So I thought these were really cute. I'm practicing with lashes. I am not good at applying lashes, so that's why you don't see me applying lashes in my videos. So I'm trying to perfect that, and yeah, so I thought these would be good to practice with. They were only $1. Okay, and then I found some lip gloss. This is the lip moisturizing lip gloss, and I got this in the color Gloss Pink, but it's super cute and it has a lot of glitter in it. I just think that's so pretty, and I think it'll be very festive, maybe as a lip topper. You know, put on like a nice red lipstick for, you know, your holiday parties and things. So I was super excited. It says it has a glossy finish and it is enriched with vitamin E. I have actually tried this lip gloss before, not this particular color with all the glitter in it, but I have another one that's like a baby pink color. I can't remember what the name of that one is, but the formula of it, I really like it. It's very thick, not too sticky, maybe a little sticky, but not too sticky. And for $1, I think that's a really good deal. So if you see some of these, definitely, you know, pick one up and test it out and see how you like it. Okay, so the next item that I found in the makeup section from LA Colors, this is new to me. This is a contour stick, and I got it in the color Dark. They had several different shades, so yeah, so I got it in the color Dark, and it looks like kind of like that crayon pencil type. It says it's great for contouring. I don't really contour, but I like to bronze, and so I feel like this would be a good, you know, I think I can make it work. You know, I don't always use the makeup item for what its intended purpose is. I use it for what I want to use it for, so that's just me. I don't know, but yeah, I thought this would be a good color for me to bronze with. Speaking of bronzing, I did pick up a bronzer powder, and this is in the color Bronzed Beauty, and it's a beautiful, almost a, what would you call that? It's bronze. It's bronze, but it has a bit of shimmer in it, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like a shimmery bronzer. But I thought it was a beautiful color, and so yeah, it says it gives a gorgeous bronze glow, and I'm all here for that, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, brow tint. Brow tint. What? Since when? Since when, y'all? Since when? I got it in the color dark brown, and it says fill and set your eyebrows with this. So it has like a mascara wand type of applicator. You can see there. And yeah, apply to brows with brush applicator. Fill sparse areas with tip. So if you guys want to know how this actually works, then just let me know, and I can do it like just a review on this item by itself. If there's anything in this video that you would like to see me review, just let me know specifically, and then I can definitely make sure that I get back to you on how it works, if it's worth your $1 or not. And then the last thing that I picked up is this LA Colors eyeshadow kit, and this is in the Rose collection. So they had several different ones. Just looks like this. And they had a rose eyeshadow palette. They had a nude eyeshadow palette, and they had there was one more. I want to say it was like a cooler palette, because it had a lot of blue shades in there. But I picked this one up because I don't really have any colors like this. It's like rosy type colors, and I want to do a makeup look that's going to be more holiday or festive, or so I'm gonna need like some cooler tones, and I feel like these have some cooler tones. There's some frosty shades in there and things like that. So yeah, I'm planning to do a makeup look with this. We'll see. I don't know how pigmented these colors are gonna be. I don't know how well they're gonna perform. So I haven't tried any of those eyeshadows before, but yeah, very cute. I think I have a picture of this as well. So if I did take a picture of it, then I'll insert that in this video so you can see the other color options that were available. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's Dollar Tree haul. That's all the items that I had. I was so excited to bring these items to you guys. I've been holding onto this bag for a couple of days now because I didn't have time to get this video filmed. But now that I have filmed it, I am going to be dipping into some of these Bolero products. I am so excited to try them out. I think I'll start with some of them tonight, maybe try the face scrub, the bath soak. So yeah, make sure you check out your local Dollar Tree as well. A lot of these items would make some good stocking stuffers if you're into early Christmas shopping, if you've already started checking your list and all that good stuff for the holidays. So yeah, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. They have some really good items out there that are available. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, click that button, subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to come back for more of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. If I don't see you before Thanksgiving, I hope you all have a happy, safe holiday, safe travels, peace and blessings to all you guys, and I'll see you right back here in my next video. Bye.